How to become a LinkedIn influencer. Apply for it, or post every hour, or get 30,000 connections. Being a LinkedIn influencer like me gives you a lot of exposure and a lot of authority. I became a LinkedIn influencer in 2013 together with Barack Obama, Richard Branson, or Ban Ki-moon. In this video I'm going to share with you 5 tips how you can increase the chance of becoming a LinkedIn influencer. And watch till the end, because I'm going to tell you the most common mistake people make in wanting to become an influencer. Let's start right away. I am a LinkedIn influencer. At this moment I have 330,000 followers. It gives me 2 big advantages. First of all, exposure. Some of my posts have been viewed by more than 200,000 people. And it gives me authority, because there are only 500 LinkedIn influencers and I'm one of them. Now, you cannot apply to be a LinkedIn influencer. They have to choose you. So how do you become chosen? That's the question. Here are 5 tips for you. My first tip is to focus. LinkedIn wants to inspire their members. So you have to become an expert. A subject matter expert on something which is relevant. I, for example, am a subject matter expert in the start of innovation. I focus on this for 15 years and I've written 5 books on the start of innovation. Tip 2 is give and do not take. A lot of consultants are present on LinkedIn and they offer you a free webinar or a white paper. But then your email gets into their email marketing machine and they spam you to get business. Real influencers, they give. Tip number 3, be a massive producer. Don't publish once a week, publish every day. Now, you don't have to write everything yourself, because as a potential influencer, you are a content curator. You decide what's relevant for people on LinkedIn, so share their work and give them the credit. Tip 4, be omnipresent. Don't only be present on LinkedIn, be present on all social media. Do not only write posts, write articles. Also write articles offline, in magazines, and start making books. And as LinkedIn is prioritizing now video content, be sure to make movies like this. Because then LinkedIn can see that you, 1, can write, and 2, you are attractive on video. Tip number 5, stay humble. I have published 5 books. I'm a LinkedIn influencer now for 15 years, but I consider myself a student who likes to give and still is curious to learn. By being humble, it makes you belief-worthy and it makes you sympathetic. I promised you to tell the most common mistake people make wanting to become an influencer. You know what that is? Self-declaring yourself as a guru. I am a guru. Well, that's the end of it all, because you cannot claim authority. Authority is something that people give to you. Now, if you want to know how I became a LinkedIn influencer, I made a movie on that. How to reinvent yourself from innovation hero to zero. Watch that movie. If you like this movie, please do a thumbs up and subscribe here to get how to innovate videos every week. My name is Gijs van Wulven. Happy to be a LinkedIn influencer. I wish you a lot of success in becoming an authority and stay safe.